53 time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1970 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. 454 underneath the hood. And it's paired up with an automatic transmission. Turbo Hydromatic 400 to be exact. Take a look at the chrome condition on the front bumper. Now, I did try to point out in the pictures too, there are some spots where there's a little touch-up paint here or there. FYI. Car that's been driven. Get in and have some fun. That big block power. Also power steering, power brakes. If you want to check out the still pictures so you can see that engine bay, take a look at the undersides. Interior still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the rally style wheels, center caps, beauty rings. We have Goodrich radials in the rear. You'll be able to see the tread depth, and on the still pictures, probably close to 100 pictures of this car online. Also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. New cherry bomb mufflers on this vehicle also. You'll be able to see in the still pictures from the bottom side. Also have still pictures with the top in and tops out. UniqueClassicCars.com. So where you can find those at. So we take a look down the driver's side. Kind of a little spot to where the paint's just a tad lighter. You can't see that in the angle right there. Let's go ahead and take a look at the interior a little closer, and we'll fire it up. Let's hear it run. Look at the door panels. There'll also be a picture of the kind of data tag, if you will, and the VIN in with the still pictures. Also the storage compartment behind. Kind of see the car from every angle. All right, let's fire it up. And we'll take a little peek underneath the hood too. There we go. All right. Look at the dash. Was a cold start, so I'd assume the temperature would be down there. Fuel gauge, oil pressure. Hey, look at that, the clock sealing, second hand's running. Aftermarket stereo, tachometer. That's a seat belt light, FYI. Can't read that. Click the lights on too. Check those out. Looks like they both work. Slip around to the back so you can hear it run. Nice little rumble coming out of that big block, but nothing too crazy over the top. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second. I'm going to pop this hood. We'll check out the engine bay also here. Alright. Got 454, and again, power steering, power brakes, grip, and aluminum radiator. Poly carb. There's headers on it also. See down in there. Take a look from the passenger side.
Here we have a 1970 Chevrolet Corvette. Gonna take it for a little drive. Tachometer works, the speedometer works. Fuel gauge is about 1/8 of a tank. Our turn signal indicators work. Acceleration is good. Oil pressure is at about 37 pounds. Water temperature about 190. the factory gauges. Battery is right about in the middle of the gauge. Radio does work. Wipers do not work. We get blow through air, but I have not heard a blower motor work or felt a blower motor work. Work well, brakes straight. Car handles good.
1970 Chevrolet Corvette. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you